So today we're putting two of the most talked about AI tools to the test, HeyGen and InVideo. Both promise to make video creation faster, easier, but which one actually gives you polished? Let's go find out. On paper, they seem so similar. AI powered tool, quick video generation, ready to use templates. But once I started using both, I noticed a big difference in how the final video feels. One was smooth, engaging, and ready for social media, while the other needed more tweaking to really look professional. So here's the breakdown. HeyGen is a robust AI video creator that helps you produce avatar-based videos quickly and at scale. It's perfect for creators, educators, and marketers who wants to skip traditional production workflows while still getting professional results. InVideo, on the other hand, focuses more on template-based video editing. It gives you a huge library of pre-made layouts, transitions, and stock assets. Ideal for social media clips, ads, and marketing content. However, it's less focused on avatars or fully AI generated talking characters. So here's the real takeaway. If you want avatar led storytelling or long form educational videos, HeyGen is your buddy. But if you're producing social media marketing clips with pre designed templates, InVideo is more convenient. But you sacrifice that human like avatar presence. So in short, HeyGen gives you the face and personality. InVideo gives you speed and templates. Next, I'll show you a hidden trick to make InVideo clips feels more like dynamic and natural. Check that out on the next one.